6 signs you are super hot. You are confident. Confidence is a super hot whether or not you believe it or you realize it yet. People act differently. They may act strange when you are around them. They will get jealous. They will get nervous. They laugh. They stop talking, etc. because they find you attractive. People check you out. Maybe you get checked out a lot by people on the streets, or people double take when they walk past you in a restaurant or any place. People make eye contact with you. Meeting another person's gaze can be a sign of attraction, especially if that eye contact is intense and prolonged. People will talk to you. People will start conversation about anything to talk to you. People are surprised by your insecurities. People would often think that you are joking when you tell them that you don't like something about yourself.